Hello guys, in this video I would like to show you how you can hard or factory reset your JBL Charge 4 Bluetooth speaker. With this you can solve many software or connectivity related problems, but it's also useful if you want your speaker to forget all the formerly connected devices. So to do this, first you have to turn on the speaker by pressing the power button. As you can see, the speaker turned on, and you can do the reset by pressing the Bluetooth button and the volume up button simultaneously for around 3 seconds. Now the speaker turned off and we are done with the reset. The speaker set back to the factory default settings and forget all the formerly connected devices. So now if you power it up, as you can see, the Bluetooth LED lights start blinking, so it automatically starts in pairing mode. You can find it via your devices. I hope it solved your problem. If you have any question, feel free to drop a comment, and if you like the video, please press a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. You were watching The Speaker Fanatic.